Why is it that games lag, sputter, or freeze? Game development is different from typical programming in that games are considered real-time software. This means that the game runs a set of calculations every frame in order to keep everything running. Most desktop applications wait for your input to change something, but video games need to constantly change for things like physics, combat, and even making your player move around. In Unity, this is called the player loop. Unity has a list of commands to fire off in a loop before starting all over again. Each loop is called a frame, and in a 60 FPS game, each frame only has about 17 milliseconds to finish. The main command that developers use is called the update function. This is called once every frame and is what powers a ton of the game's logic. But what does this have to do with my game lagging? When the game engine goes down its list of commands, it can't continue to the next command until the previous one is finished. So if I put a bunch of garbage code, nested loops, or unnecessary calls into the update function, the game engine will run through every line before starting the next frame. Regular code will only cause an unnoticeable few millisecond delay. But if a developer were to do something like put a 5K poly toothbrush into the game, the frame would take a lot longer to complete.